السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. It's first secondary English, the lesson from Traveler book, okay? Lesson 8 grammar plus like and dislike. I mean like and dislike and preposition of time. Preposition of time. Presented by Abdulaziz Al-Hanafi and prepared by Abdullah Hussein. Today our lesson is so easy, okay? So simple. Okay, here we go. Now objectives will be like and dislike. I think all of you know the meaning of like and dislike. Am I right? You know the meaning, right? Very good, okay. Number 2, we will talk about prepositions of time. What's that, Muna? Good. And okay, you mean the first one is like, good. The second one is dislike. Yeah, you're correct. Number 2, preposition of time. Okay. Now, like, we come back, Fatma. Like what Muna has wrote here. This is like and dislike. Things you like and things you don't like it. Okay. Now we are in slide number 4. Can you see slide number 4? Wait a minute. You can see slide number 4. Page number 4. Can you see it? Dislike and like. Read the sentences. Which of the phrases in bold? Read the sentences. Which of the phrases in bold mean like and which dislike? Okay. Now we are on page number 5. We are on page number 5. You can see that? Page number 5. Slide number 5. You can see it? Very good. Okay. Number 1. Tom is a big fan of Manchester United. He never misses a match. So what do you think? Tom is a big fan. Like or dislike? You see like? Like. Okay, Hiba, she said like. Mona says like. Fatma like. We will see the answer at the next page, okay? Like. Okay. Number 2. Remember, number 1, all of you agree that it's like. Number 2. Hamid can't stand reading late and at night. Now this is can't stand like or dislike. Hamid can't stand reading late at night. Doesn't like means dislike. Dislike Ella. Also Hiba dislike. Mona dislike. What about Fatma? So Fatma, do you concur? Do you concur with them? Do you agree with them? Do you say dislike with them, Fatma? Okay, we'll continue. High touch. What is that? No problem. Okay. Number 3. Alice is interested in art. She has 20 paintings in her house. So, do you think she like or she dislike? Like. Fatma, Ala, Hiba, and Muna. Like. Okay, we'll see that. Number 4. Huda is fond of. Now this is a beautiful word, fond. Huda is fond of children. She wants to become a teacher. She wants to become a teacher. Like or dislike? Fatma like, Hiba like. Okay, we will see answers here. Now number 1, like. That's correct. Number 2, dislike. Number 3, like. Number 4, like. So your answer was correct, and I like your answers. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Number 5. Henry finds science fiction books boring. He rarely reads them. Dislike. Heather, dislike. Fatma. Ala, Muna, what do you think? Dislike. Very good. Okay. Like. Oh, you are. Okay. The 3 girls say dislike. Only 1 girl say like. We will see. We will see. Okay. Number 6. Linda hates geography. She never studies. So what do you think? From hate. Do you think she likes studying geography or not? So Linda hates geography. She never studies. Dislike. When I dislike, Hiba. So Fatma and Ala. Ala dislike. What about Fatma? Welcome back, supervisor. Welcome back. So we will wait, Fatma. Number 7. My brother and I are really into rock climbing. We go rock climbing every year. So like Hiba, like Fatma. Mona like, Ala like. Well, let's see answers here. Number 5 is dislike. And Ala, she says like. Number 6, dislike. She hates geography. And number 7, like. Hello, supervisor. Hello, and this is for all of you. All of you deserve it. Ala, Muna, Fatma, Hiba. Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Now, prepositions of time. You're welcome. Prepositions of time. I think you are familiar with preposition. Now, if I ask you, give me any example, any preposition. Yes, that's good. That's correct. Mona, on, and ala. But here we have preposition of time that indicates to a specific time. Okay, so now I think in slide number 10 we'll have a video clip, hopefully to focus on this video clip, and hopefully the connection will be good so that you can see clearly. Okay. That's right, Hiba, that's right, Ala.
Today I am going to teach you about prepositions of time. Do you know what a preposition is? It is a word that says something about the place or position of something. Time is very important, especially when you want to meet somebody. The words that say something about time are called prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are always found by asking the question, when? We will look at a few important examples. Your grammar sheet is very helpful, so have a look at that too. Let's start with the preposition of time, in. Use in whenever you want to say that something happened in a month, year, season, or part of the day. For example, most schools start in September. I was born in 1989. Charles gets up early in the morning. In is also used when something is going to happen after a period of time. For example, Aunt Mary will be here in 3 minutes. This means that when 3 minutes have passed, Aunt Mary will be here. Another example. The bus will be here in 10 minutes. This is the same as we have to wait for 10 minutes before the bus arrives. Now let's look at the preposition of time, at. At is always used for a very specific time. For example, lunch is at noon. Noon is a specific time of the day. It is 12 o'clock. That's why you use at. Dinner is at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is a specific time, so you use at. Some words and phrases always use at. Look at these examples. At Christmas, at Easter, at the same time, at once. The next preposition of time is on. Always use on for days of the week. For example, I am going to visit my grandmother on Friday. John is going to London on Monday. Also, always use on for dates. For example, my birthday is on the 28th of January. On is also used for special days. For example, we are going to party on my birthday. Now let's take a look at after. After means that something will happen later than something. For example, after the holidays, I will start studying French. This means that when the holidays are finished, I'm going to start studying French. Another example. I will see you after school. This means that when school is out, I'll see you. What about the preposition of time, by? Use by when you want something no later than a certain time. It always means a deadline in the future. For example, I want to have those papers by Friday. This means the deadline for those papers is Friday. If you get the papers earlier, that is okay, but the papers must not be later than Friday. I expect rain by noon. This means that when it is noon, you expect it to rain. It could rain before noon, but when it is noon, you think it will rain. Take a look at the grammar sheet. It will help you remember these prepositions. And now, it is time for you to do your exercises.
Well, hopefully you understand. Hopefully that the video clip was clear. She talks about in, at, on, after, by, and how to use these prepositions. So with exercise, I think the matter will be so close and so clear. Okay, very good. Now read the dialogue and underline the preposition of time. Then complete the table below with on, in, or at. Well, about this one, we'll have it in another slide. But now, we'll read the dialogue and underline the preposition of time. Okay? This dialogue between Andy and Kit. Now, number one, Andy, let's meet tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Okay. You can write, where is the preposition of time here? Where is the preposition of time? You can. Wait a minute. I'll give you, I think all of you, if you want to write on the board, it's fine. You can underline the preposition of time. At. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. That is it. I'm afraid I can't. On Wednesday, I work from 10:30 till 6:30. Yes, now underline the preposition of time. Underline the preposition of time. On. Yeah, that's correct. And what else? What can I provide? We have here also, if you notice here, from, exactly, and, step one, tell, yes, that's right. Okay, Andy, okay, then, do you want to meet in the evening at around 8 o'clock? Do you want to meet? No, here is infinitive. This is a verb. No, it's not a preposition, so here, no. In, yes. At, that's correct. So let me just, okay. Kid, sure, and around, yeah. Sure, and we can go to the new Italian restaurant. I went there 2 weeks ago. And the food was delicious. Okay, here. Yes, ladies. Okay, underline. Ago, that's right. Ago is a preposition. What else? A little again. Yeah. Actually, here too is also a preposition. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now let's go. Thank you for your answers on this slide. Let's go to the next slide. Preposition of time. Preposition of time. Now he gave you this preposition. We took it before a minute. At, go, on, from, in, at, and till. Okay. Now how do we use them? How do we use them? These prepositions. If you remember from the video clip, or we will refresh your memory. We can maximize it. We are on slide number 15. Okay, we are on slide number 15. Now at, we use it with time. On, with days of week. From, until, with the duration. In, with parts of the day, and also places, positions. Ago, with the past simple. Ago, with the past simple. Actually, it has a lot of uses. Not only that, but he gave you just a summary for the use of preposition. But they have a lot of uses. Now we have the exercise here, another exercise. Now complete the table with on, in, or at. Now ladies, I want your participation. You will answer again on the board. Now we have the three tables. Now choose. Which one is in, which one is on, which one is at. 9 o'clock, the weekend, noon, night, midnight, at age of 5. The first one is at, very good. Second one, the morning, the afternoon, the morning, exactly, it's in the morning, and the afternoon, in the evening. In August means any month, in autumn, etc. What happened here? A lot of accidents here. Okay, it's on. Very good. On Tuesday, on 4th July, on winter's night, on a cold morning. Okay, still, I think the supervisor also will write here also. So it's on at, wait a minute, at, and on. Yeah. Now we have, let's go to the next slide. But before going, until now, everything is okay? Is it clear until now? Okay, very good, very good. Heba, thank you. We have exercise here. Now, as you can see, we have here the answers. We have exercise, Heba. As I told you, other preposition of time, not only on and at are the only preposition of time, but we have during, we have from, to, till, until, before, after, ago. Now I need, again, your participation. You will draw on my board, okay? Now, complete the sentences with the prepositions of time. Nasser is meeting Ali noon. It's at, yeah, that's correct. Thank you for this. It's at. Nasser is meeting Ali at noon. Very good, excellent. Number 2, Paul always read newspapers Sunday afternoon. Exactly, it's on, yeah. On come before the date, on Sunday, on Tuesday, etc. So number 3, I usually drink a warm cup of milk in the morning. In the morning, very good, very good. Who wrote this? Very good. And okay. Number 4. Hashim takes lots of photos. Space his holiday. No, it's not in. Okay, who can change it? We have other preposition of time. Not in, not on, not at. Who can? We have other prepositions. Let me remind you. We have other prepositions like during, from, to, till, until, before, after, ago. Yes. Wait a minute. Right. Answer number 5. Just hold on. It's during. That's right. It is during. Yes. It's during. Like this. So number 4, Hashim takes lots of photos during his holiday. Okay. Number 5. Suzanne's graduation is space June. Okay. Who writes in here? Who writes in here? So do you agree with him? Do you agree with him? During, when we talk about actions happened at specific time, well, let ask your friends here. Ladies, do you know the meaning of during? Who can give me the meaning of this word, during? Who can write it in English or can give Arabic translation so that our friend Mona knows the answer or the meaning of this word? What about? Yes, you can use that, but it has another meaning for during. Another meaning. It's okay. But if you can give me the synonym in Arabic, we have another meaning for during. Who can give me that? Okay. Okay, I will say it. Sorry, I will say it in Arabic. It means أثناء. Means أثناء. So, for example, أثناء الرحلة. That is the meaning of this word. Okay. Let's go to number 5. Suzanne's graduation is in June. That's correct. That's right. Exactly. Number 6. I was in Spain. Space 29 January. I was in Spain 29 January. So what do you think? All of you answer this. What do you think? On the board. On the board. On. Exactly. That's correct. That's correct. But I want all of you write on here. Not in, on. All of you write on here. Yes. Hiba, Muna, Fatima, Ala. All of you write on here. And the board here. Yes, that's right. Yeah, I like it. I like to see a lot of colors. That's good. That's make me feel good, better. Okay, number 7. My brother left 10 minutes. Yeah, that's correct. My brother left 10 minutes ago. My brother left 10 minutes ago. And you can notice that this preposition usually comes at the end of the sentence. Ago usually comes at the end of the sentence. Okay? So let's see the answers here, ladies. Number 1, at. Number 2, on. Number 3, and. Number 4, during. Number 5, and. Number 6, on. And number 7 is ago. So all of you correct, and you deserve this. This is for Ala, this is for Fatma, Mona, Hiba, and this is for the supervisor. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Now we have the summary. We have the summary for our lesson. We have finished our lesson. As I told you, our lesson today is so easy and not long. It doesn't take, it didn't take long time. At, we took it with time. On, with days of the week. From, till, duration. For example, from 6 to 5, like that. Or with time. And with parts of the day. Ago, with past simple. Now, references here. Traveler Book 2. Traveler Book 2. And you can see this lesson recorded at the website. I advise you to follow E_Durus in Twitter. And of the lesson, you have any question? Duration is like during. Duration. Yeah. Duration is talk about time. Duration is talk about, for example, time, a specific period. Specific period. Duration means a specific period. It's do you get the meaning? Actually, it is not the same meaning for during. It is not the same meaning for during. It has another meaning. Okay, ladies, we have finished our lesson. If you have any question, have a nice day.